Imagine waking up 20 years from now and realizing that a simple decision you made today, just buying and holding a few low-cost index funds, quietly built more wealth than every complicated strategy you ever tried. No timing the market, no guessing the next hot stock, just steady, unstoppable compounding. That's the power of long-term index investing. And in a world where financial markets feel more unpredictable than ever, the smartest investors aren't chasing hype. They're owning the market itself. If you want to build serious wealth with minimal stress, then the 7 index funds below are the closest thing to a forever portfolio you will ever find. Welcome to WealthEchelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. Long-term wealth is built by focusing on broad diversification, low fees, consistent performance, and exposure to the parts of the market that grow reliably over decades. These 7 funds cover all of that. Together, they form a high-growth, low-maintenance portfolio you can buy, forget about, and let the market do the work. 1. Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTI, the ultimate one-fund solution. VTI is the closest thing investors can get to owning the entire U.S. economy. With over 4,000 companies inside the fund, including megacaps like Apple and Amazon all the way down to small emerging players, VTI gives you broad exposure with minimal risk concentration. What makes VTI an elite, forever fund is its ability to capture the full performance of U.S. innovation across all sectors. From tech revolutions to healthcare breakthroughs, from manufacturing to finance, VTI grows as America grows. Historically, the total U.S. stock market has returned around 10% per year over long periods. That means every $10,000 invested doubles roughly every 7 years with compounding. VTI's low expense ratio and efficient structure make it ideal for investors who want hands-off long-term growth without making constant decisions. This fund is perfect if you want one index fund you never have to replace. 2. Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VOO, the world's most popular wealth builder. VOO tracks the S&P 500, an index that represents the 500 largest, most profitable U.S. companies. These companies dominate global markets, generate massive cash flow, and consistently outperform most actively managed funds. Roughly 80% of professional investors fail to beat the S&P 500, which is why VOO has become a top choice for long-term growth investors. Its biggest advantage? The companies inside it evolve automatically. The winners stay in, the losers get kicked out. You don't have to research, time, or guess. VOO has compounded wealth for decades and remains the gold standard for set-and-forget investing. If you want high growth with rock-solid stability, VOO is unmatched. 3. Vanguard Growth ETF, VUG, pure high-octane growth. If your goal is maximum long-term upside, VUG gives you exposure to the most innovative and fastest-growing companies in the U.S. This includes giants in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, fintech, software, and biotechnology. While growth stocks can be more volatile in the short term, their long-term performance is exceptional. VUG is heavily weighted in companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Alphabet. These companies are not just large, they are shaping the future of technology. If you have a long-term horizon and don't mind fluctuations, VUG delivers some of the highest growth potential among all index funds. 4. Schwab U.S. Broad Market ETF, SCHB, the low-cost total market beast. SCHB is often compared to VTI because both track the total U.S. stock market. However, SCHB often wins on cost, making it one of the cheapest funds in the world. Over decades, even small differences in fees can result in hundreds of thousands of dollars of extra returns. Like VTI, SCHB spreads your investment across thousands of companies, giving you broad diversification from tech titans to mid-cap workhorses to small-cap innovators. It's incredibly tax-efficient, extremely liquid, and ideal for long-term investors. If you're building a forever portfolio with a buy and sleep peacefully mindset, SCHB is a perfect core holding. 5. Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ, the innovation powerhouse. While not as broad as VTI or VOO, QQQ delivers some of the highest growth potential of any index fund in history. Why? Because QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100, which is dominated by the world's most innovative companies. This includes leaders in artificial intelligence, cloud tech, e-commerce, cybersecurity, biotech, and digital services. QQQ has outperformed the S&P 500 for over 20 years due to heavy exposure to cutting-edge innovation. While QQQ is more volatile than VOO, it rewards long-term investors who can handle short-term swings. This fund thrives during technological transformations, and we're entering the biggest tech boom in history. For long-term wealth building, QQQ is one of the highest growth ETFs ever created. 6. Fidelity, Zero, Total Market Index Fund, FZROX, growth with absolutely zero fees. It's rare in finance to find something truly groundbreaking, but FZROX is. It charges 0.00% expense ratio. Yes, completely free. Fidelity launched this fund to attract long-term investors, and it tracks a total market index similar to VTI or SCHB, but at zero cost. For young investors or anyone planning to hold a fund for decades, avoiding fees is a massive advantage. Compounding without the drag of fees means your money grows faster, year after year. The only drawback? It's not available outside Fidelity and isn't transferable between brokers. But for long-term, buy and hold investors who use Fidelity, this is one of the best forever funds ever created. 7. Vanguard Total International Stock Index Fund, VXUS, Global Growth Beyond America. No long-term growth portfolio is complete without international diversification. While U.S. stocks dominate global performance, other regions, Asia, Europe, emerging markets, also deliver strong long-term returns. VXUS gives you exposure to more than 7,000 companies outside the U.S., including major global players like Samsung, Toyota, Tencent, Nestle, ASML. Why is this important? Because the global economy is shifting, emerging markets are growing rapidly, Asia is exploding with innovation, Europe is home to world-leading industrial and luxury brands. Including international exposure helps protect your portfolio from over-reliance on the U.S. market. Investing globally ensures you benefit from world growth, not just American growth. How to build a forever portfolio with these 7 funds. Choosing the right index funds matters, but how you combine them matters just as much. A long-term high-growth portfolio should be wide enough to survive market crashes, heavy enough in growth sectors to outperform over decades, simple enough that you never feel stressed. Here's a clean structure many long-term investors follow. Option A, maximum simplicity, 2-fund portfolio. 80% VTI or VOO, 20% VXUS. This covers the world. Simple, powerful, and loved by billions of dollars of investors. Option B, high-growth tilt, 3-fund portfolio. 60% VOO or VTI. 30% QQQ or VUG, 10% VXUS. This boosts long-term performance while keeping risk reasonable. Option C, the all-time balanced forever portfolio, 7 funds. VTI, core US exposure. VOO, large cap growth stability. VUG, pure growth engine. SCHB, broad diversification. QQQ, innovation powerhouse. FZROX, zero fee compounding. VXUS, global exposure. You don't need every fund in major amounts. Even holding just a few shares of each diversifies your risk across the entire world of equities. Why these 7 funds are perfect for forever investing. Index funds are the perfect vehicles for forever investing because they remove the stress, complexity, and guesswork that often derail long-term investors. They require virtually zero maintenance. You don't have to research individual companies, try to predict market swings, or attempt risky timing strategies, because the index handles all of that automatically. As the market evolves, weak or underperforming companies are replaced with stronger ones, ensuring your portfolio continuously adapts without any effort from you. These funds also offer massive diversification, often spreading your money across thousands of stocks, which helps protect you from catastrophic losses if any single company fails. With extremely low fees, index funds keep more of your returns compounding, which is one of the most powerful drivers of long-term wealth. They mirror global economic growth, meaning that as the world becomes more productive and innovative, your investments naturally grow with it. Over long periods, 10, 20, even 30 years, index funds consistently outperform the large majority of professional investors, making them one of the most reliable strategies available. Best of all, they give you peace of mind. Instead of worrying about daily market noise, you can focus on living your life while your portfolio quietly builds wealth in the background. The long-term reality. Time in the market beats. Timing the market. Every major long-term investor, from Warren Buffett to Jack Bogle, agrees on one thing. The market rewards patience, not predictions. Holding a diversified basket of index funds for decades is the single most reliable way to build wealth. It's not exciting. It's not dramatic. It's simply effective. If you invest consistently, reinvest dividends, and avoid panic selling, your portfolio will compound at a rate that feels almost magical over time. The 7 index funds above are not just popular. They are engineered for long-term success. They give you exposure to every corner of the global economy, from high-growth tech to emerging markets to established giants. Together, they form a forever strategy that requires zero stress and delivers powerful growth. Start with what you can. Add consistently. Hold for decades. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Great wealth is not built by genius. It's built by consistency.
Thanks for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.